Okay. I was telling Nia that I don't think it's too wet for her to try to ride a bicycle outside, but here she goes. Oh. What happened?
I get stuck in this. My phone won't go because of this.
Ah.
Oh, there we go.
It is so no. Hold on, the dog's trying to get outside. We don't want her to come outside and get dirty. Okay.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Can you move the table?
Want the table?
Yeah.
Okay. Why did you want to come outside with your bicycle?
It's more funner than of inside, and I like riding bikes. I never get to ride my bike outside when it's raining. And we haven't got me a new car yet, so I'm just gonna ride my bike outside every time it rains.
Okay. It is windy out here. It is so slushy and ugly. Yeah. Nasty. Ugh.
I just went in the water.
Yes, you did. And it's cold, not to mention it's what, January? Woo! We just had a week of snow. This is our first week. Well, yeah.
And there was a snow blast. Our backyard was full of snow.
There was a snow blast.
And all the snow was like, it was like all around the city. There was a lot.
How many times are you gonna keep going around the fireplace?
50 times?
How many times?
50 times.
50 times?
Yeah. Barbie finna come outside.
Oh, she sure is. Hey, Barbie. You can't come outside. We don't want you to get dirty. Go back inside. Nope. Bye-bye. Bye, Barbie. No. No. How'd you even open the door? No. Watch out. Okay. Good catch, Nia. I didn't see that. Ugh, it's just so muddy and gushy and ugh.
Maybe you should get out the grass.
Then got the water.
Definitely, because last time I went in the mud, I cleaned off my feet in that water.
This footprint right here.
Look.
Ooh, look at the doggy toy. Oh no.
Guys,
Ah.
no matter what, you can always try your best to ride in the rain.
Uh-oh, there are neighbor dogs.
I don't care.
Yeah.
I don't care with them barking. I'm fine.
Okay.
And I do want them in my video. Barking. Barry, get the hang of it.
Need help? Or you good?
I got it. I almost got it. There we go.
The neighbor's dogs always bark, but they're friendly.
Yeah, I'm not scared of them anymore. I used to been scared of them, but now I'm not. I'm a big, big girl.
Yes, you are a big, big girl.
No matter what, don't be scared of no dog. They just want to be friends.
All right, Nia, I think you have ridden enough in this weather. What do you think?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. All right, what do you want to tell everybody? We're getting ready to end this video. Uh-oh. You forgotten?
I didn't think about it. I think about this only.
What do you want to say? How do you want to say goodbye?
No matter what, don't be scared of dogs. Try your best to ride in the rain. There's nothing wrong with the rain. It just drops. And the dogs, neighbors, it's okay. They just want to be friends.
All right, thank you for watching YouTube, Nene's Adventures. Subscribe, like, and
Peace out. We hope you subscribe to my video. Make sure down below. Make sure you have all your answers and come call me and I'll come to you.
all right, bye-bye.